Hello everyone, my name is Sandhya Jain. I am mother of Advik Jain who is in LKG D. I really want to appreciate your hard work, your dedication. This virtual annual day celebration was a great concept. You people have made it so successful that it proves that you can rise in any situation and deliver us the best thing in any circumstances. I really feel so proud to be a member of your family. Me and my entire family really enjoyed this annual day celebration. Thank you.
Hello,
Hello
ma'am.
ma'am, I love my annual function.
Hello, ma'am. We too enjoyed virtual annual function 2021. Thank you so much for all of your efforts. We love to see our little ones on a screen, and
Thank you, ma'am.
and we love the family dance as well.
Yes.
It's a very good concept. Her grandparents also enjoyed doing the performance. Thank you so much. It was one of a kind. We are enjoying and we'll thoroughly love the performances of little ones, and all of your efforts are literally visible. How you all are keeping the power to keep them going. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you, principal ma'am. Thank you, management. Thank you, teachers, LKGC. Thank you, class teachers, Sonia ma'am and Raki ma'am. Thank you, everyone. We are really loving the concept, and we are looking forward to see UKG as well. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Megha Bansal and my son is studying in LKG C Vidyashram School. So I just want to congratulate all the teachers for their great efforts which they have put in for such a successful annual function. Thank you all the teachers.
Dear Vidyashram family, I would like to congratulate all the staff members, principal ma'am, and our lovely kids for such a delightful and wonderful experience. It was a terrific show which showcased the abilities of our little ones, thereby making them more confident as a person. In short, it was a grand success. My heartfelt regards. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Santosh Nath, father of Arayana Verma, LKGD. First of all, thanks you so much to all the class teachers, parents, teeny kids, supporting staff and principal BBB for making such an amazing virtual annual day program in a pandemic COVID situation. Seeing funny toddlers, air hostess, dancing with parents, dadu dadi, nani nanu, and siblings were surprisingly enthusiastic. Being a doctor, I know that in such restricted situation, it is hard to manage with the teeny kids with the program. But school management did it excellent. Thanks again and good luck.
Hello everyone. We have seen the virtual annual function of Balwadi Vidyashram School with my family and friends. It was an amazing show. Every child is a star. Every child is a precious gem. And every child has done his best. All that could not be possible without the principal, the teachers, the staff, the management, their coordination, support and cooperation. The best part of the show was that you had given ample opportunities not only our children's and parents and grandparents also. As the respected principal, Mrs. Pratima Sharma, told us that we should give some quality time to our children. Ma'am, I must say you had given a beautiful chance and an excellent opportunities. Thank you so much for giving us such a beautiful chance. माना हमारे बच्चे सोना है लेकिन तराशा तो आपने है. माना हमारे बच्चे आंखों का तारा है लेकिन आसमान में चमकाया तो आपने है. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Balwadi School for organizing this annual day celebration for our kids. Special thanks to the principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and all the teachers for providing our kids this opportunity, this wonderful opportunity rather. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all the Balwadi team and my environmental specialist, Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Ashram, for making this virtual annual function so awesome, so great, and we thoroughly enjoyed each and every performance of every kid. We all have been waiting for this day. This day has been embarking on the day when the kids actually sum up their year of learning together, and since this year has been very special because the way we have been teaching our kids, the way we got taught, they have had a different start altogether. They have had this virtual start, and we hope to meet soon, definitely. Thank you so much, teachers. You have really done a good job. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Tejasvi Sani from UKG CCATS. I liked the function very much. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, myself, Hitanshi.
I'm Hitanshi's mom. I want to say something today. This is in reference to the virtual annual program that was organized on 5th of April in this pandemic COVID period. I would like to express my gratitude to Anu ma'am and all the teachers for organizing such a wonderful event for students and their parents. The amount of hard work and effort put in by Anu ma'am and the management team was commendable. Special thanks to Ekta ma'am and Surbi ma'am, as this would not be possible without their efforts and true leadership. I would like to conclude by appreciating entire family of Balwadi. Thank you so much.